Hello, once again, it's SHADOWFOOT here, and we'll be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is going to be the 64GB version that we had just got, and we'll start off quickly with the unboxing because I am on limited amount of time, and as always, Samsung boxes are really nice. I am a Samsung fanboy. You open it up, and you got this here. And this is kind of a cheat unboxing, because I've already unboxed it. Because, of course, that comes, they unbox everything for you at the store. Comes with a key. Comes like a manual and stuff. Comes with a USB-C charger. And this is used by about a day or so. So, this is the shiny. And this is the shiny plastic. Oh, shiny. Well, that's finally off there. Like I said, I have been using this for the last day or so. I haven't been able to do a review video of it, but it is super shiny. I'm going to get a nice screen protector for it. And I got it, of course, in my favorite color. Gunmetal blue. This thing does feature a 3D camera, as well as something that's basically a pulse oximeter right here, fingerprint and touchpad. 2 ways to unlock it. I have it right now. That one's just, well, it's restarted, so I had to pop in password. But so far in this thing, it's actually pretty cool. It is one of the most powerful phones on the market today, and I really can't say anything bad about that. It's probably more powerful than all of my devices processor-wise, because it is I think a 6-core. I think burst clock speed is 2.6, so processor wise it can do everything as quick as you want to. And I've already put some apps on it. I've played around with it for a while. My review on it is pretty nice. It has a front facing camera right here, which I think that's about 5 megapixel camera. Everything is at least 1080 on this thing. This is a 4K resolution screen. I mean, you really can't see the quality of the screen unless I get really close. And given that this is a 1080p camera that's able to see a 4K screen, as close as I can possibly get to this screen, you can still see immaculate detail. Try doing that with your phone. See how long it takes before things look pixely. Like I am right against the lens of the camera. That is how good this screen is. I mean, seriously, again, other than focusing, crystal clear image. But, right. Anyway, would like to do a lot more on this thing as far as review wise, and I will have more test benches, but so far this is just an unboxing showing you the greatness that this camera can do. I will show some stills on the actual review portion, but once again, this is just an unboxing. This thing is USB-C, has a headphone jack on the bottom. I have a case coming, which I'll show you a case on it, shiny metal. It is really good construct, curved display on here, and you can see how it will curve and wrap around. So you can actually use it in the pocket on the edge. I'm getting a silicone display for mine, so that way it doesn't interfere with the awesomeness in which this phone is. The rest of the box has that little cradle that thing sat into. It comes with the USB charger, which I believe this one is one of the smart chargers. It is 5V 2 amp adaptive voltage charger, because it does have that USB-C. It is capable of Thunderbolt, as well as QC charge. It is wireless induction charge as well, so you can use your inductors. It does come with adapters. This one I think is the USB-C to USB connector, so you can connect USB-C to existing. It does come with the USB-C to USB standard. It does come with the AKG headphones, which supposedly they're supposed to be really good headphones, and I probably won't unbox them, but they're supposed to be premium grade. But then again, I fell in love with my AfterShokz. So I know that these probably have bass, but these are wireless. These probably don't like water too much. These don't care about water. These are not wireless, so therefore they don't have battery life. This has a really good battery life. These will stick in my ear and not feel too good. This sits on my head. I'm already used to wearing glasses, so I might do a review, or maybe Pan will do a review on these. I don't know. We'll find out about that. And then the rest of the box is a box. So that's the rest of the box. I mean, pretty simple stuff. I mean, you don't want anything but the shiny, shiny phone. The shiny, shiny phone. It's very responsive. You can even put in the fingerprint back there, and there's Argo talking to me. Shiny, shiny. So that's an unboxing video, and so far I got a 32 gigabyte SD card in here. I'm going to probably bump it up to 128, but I have not found anything on this phone that is slow. I haven't found any faults on this phone, but that's going to be a review video coming up, because I want to go full in depth on this. So this has been an unboxing video of the S9 Plus from Samsung, and I got it on sale for this month of April. It is on sale for $300 off, making it around, I think, $630 with payments. And until next time, SHADOWFOOT. Out.
You liked that, didn't you? Well, there's more on Patreon. There'll be things that can only be seen by supporters. Go to patreon.com/ShadowDragon.
If you want to be a part of the action and reach out to us, you can come join us on our Discord channel. All you have to do is go to shadowfoot.net and click on the Discord button.